Von Strolly from Tooksies, and here we're introducing our Jerk Me Up Scotchie. We're using it today to do a quick one and done recipe. You don't need to add any salt, you don't need to worry about it being too salty. Put it on the shrimp, marinate it for an hour in the fridge, and grill it up when you're ready. It's spicy. If you're not able to manage the spice, I would advise you to kind of dumb it down with a little mayonnaise or butter. We have our jumbo shrimp. Pat it dry a little bit. You know, when you get frozen shrimp, sometimes it has like ice. So I just kind of like to pat it dry so that the seasoning adheres to it better. So I'm just gonna take a tablespoon and a half to the 1 pound of shrimp. And while it's marinating, we're on our salsa. We're gonna put these on my favorite thing ever, Breadfruit Tostones. If you haven't had it, have it. They are the best thing to have in your freezer. When you have people come over, you just fry it up. You can put some cooked up sausage on there, saltfish, chicken, whatever you want. It's honestly delicious. It's so convenient. I have people that pop up all the time and I just keep it in my freezer. So we're gonna marinate this while we prep our salsa. And that's it, you don't need to do anything else. The jerk has the salt, has the vinegar, so you have the acidity there. It's gonna be great. So now we're gonna prep our salsa. I have some local cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna keep it very simple because I don't want to take away from the jerk. And honestly, you could add mango to the salsa. You could add, right now I'm a lover of blue plums, so sometimes I add a little blue plum. We're gonna add a little parsley for color. And then I'm gonna just add 1 clove of garlic. We're just gonna mince it up and add it in. Perfect. Don't leave home without it. I just add a little of the hot mother truffle and then of course some regular salt. The hot mother truffle, it's just gonna add a little of the Scotch bonnet notes. And then we're gonna use 1 whole lime. So I always just roll it before to help some of the juices. It's like a foreign lime. Perfect, and you get the nice little kick. You get a nice little kick from the hot mother truffle in there, and it's not too much. Perfect. And look, I didn't even have to cut up any Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, the only thing that we're missing now is our avocado. So I'm just gonna take the avocado. We rubbed it up before I add it to our mandolin. I'm gonna do a little more. So I'm just pouring on the salsa sauce that has a lime so that the avocado doesn't go ugly brown. Then we're gonna add some salt and mash. And we have guac. I like it chunky. Perfect, just the right amount of acid to cut through the fatty avocado and salt. About 1/2 inch high. Always put it away from you. Fry it for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on how hot your oil is. When you see it getting nice and brown on the edges, that's normally when I flip it over. Just a tooks. Now we're just gonna preheat our griddle. Make sure it's nice and hot before we add the shrimp, because we know shrimp don't need too long. I've stopped using Pam because I mean it has all sorts of nastiness in there. Avocado oil is great for you. So now we're gonna put our shrimp in. That sizzle is what you want to hear. Just get a nice even layer. Don't crowd the pan too much because we really want nice golden char. And remember, all the shrimp has on there is our Jerk Me Up Scotchie. 1 to 2 minutes per side. When I see the tail getting nice and bright orange, then I'll give it a flip. Tell me that don't look good. And how easy was that? All we did was use the Jerk Me Up Scotchie on the shrimp. That was like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna show you how I put my tostones together. We're gonna grab the Breadfruit Tostones. Remember, we sprinkled some hot mother truffle on top. We're gonna go down with the good stuff, the fat, which is avocado. I'm gonna just smear it on. And then I'm gonna top it with the shrimp. And then we're going to drizzle on our nice salsa verde. Remember, we added the hot mother truffler again. How good is that? Now, this is everybody's favorite part. You have to give it a try. The shrimp is perfect, spicy, right amount of salt. You don't need anything else.